Today I'm going to teach you how to make a t-shirt out of paper. So you can actually try it with a rough paper just like I have tried it in first. And you only need an A4 size paper and a scissors. You can take a pencil if where you will have to fold and cut it. So for the cutting, if you need to draw a line, then you can use a pen or a pencil. Don't use a pen or it will damage your shirt. And you can also make designs from out of the anything. So first I have got this A4 size paper. I am going to fold it in half. Now open it and we will have to cut it from the middle. Here. Now keep one side away. You'll just need one side. Now keep that scissor away. Take this and fold it into half. Just like this. And then open it. Fold it from here. And then from the other side. Then we will make it. We will put like this. Take it off. We will put from here. From the middle. Next, we will do on the other side also. Next, we will fold little flaps above here also. And then we will fold here to here, corner to corner. Then make it upside down and fold it to here. And this side. And voila, it's done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell button and the like. Bye. Meet you at the next video. Bye.